My name's Dave, and this is the Magnolia Champaka. It's an evergreen tree that grows to about 15 to 20 feet tall. It's great for a container garden or a small yard. It has beautiful flowers that bloom from June through September. These flowers that smell so good like bubblegum, they actually made a perfume that's world famous called Joy. This tree is actually held sacred in parts of India and tropical Asia. Not only that, legend has it, the beautiful flower was presented to the goddess Lakshmi by the Lord of Love with the words, "To the one who is most beautiful." Now that is something I can get behind. We have these available today at Top Tropicals, so come over today and get some joy.